So because we have now the solution of adjustable pipe, we don't need to adjust it every time. In our systems, we need to adjust the pipes every project. So I looked for a solution of adjustable pipe, so we won't need to adjust it every project. So I asked Leo for creative solution, and I asked him to inspire from nature. And we got some idea, and I asked him to use the idea to think about the manufacturing, to use a simple solution, something from the shelf. And we got a very good idea, a very simple one. So we did it very, very simple and very, very easy to manufacture. Finally, we got the same idea or the same solution, but we probably won't use standard parts. And Leo helped me to find the exact solution so I can use very easy parts or very accessible parts. So we won't need to manufacture it. In every project, we had to adjust the pipes. Now we don't need to adjust the pipe. We have the solution, 4 pieces in every system. So if we had do it as we usually do it, it's probably cost 100 more than the solution we got with Leo. Every system have 4 pieces, so we saved $400 for every unit. It's not save just money, it's also save time. Think about the engineer that every project need to adjust the pipes. Now we don't need to adjust anything. We just save one engineer. I use it most for the ideas. They use it for the calculations, and they like it. It saves time. It's time of thinking and time of calculations, and it's increase every day. It increase a bit the use of Leo, and I think in the time we can trust Leo, so we leave the ChatGPT. So now we do a new research because we don't know a lot in that research. Now maybe we can use it in one more way. So we hope Leo will help us to get competitive advantages.